All right, so this truck has a bad fuel pump, and now I need to move it. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to drive it out of here. First thing you need to do is find a vacuum port behind the throttle body. So not the intake, not in the intake tube before the butterfly valve or after the butterfly valve, depending on how you want to look at it. But I found it at this port. I don't remember its original intended purpose because I did this so long ago. And there's also that port which could have worked, which went to that doohickey. You just don't want like a tiny 1/4 inch port. You want to find a nice sizable port to put like a decent sized tube on, and I will show you more in a little bit. Then you're going to want to move your cat out of the way, run your hose down, find a canister that you want to use. I use this old gas can, put a hole in it to put your hose in, and what I did is I flipped the nozzle around with a hose inside it, and there's gas down there on the inside, so air will come in here and it'll bubble up the gas and it will atomize it and make beautiful things happen. You should really have a spark arrestor in here or a canister with water that this goes into and bubbles through first, so in case there's a backfire, this guy might not start on fire because it will backfire. Like if you're out in the sun and you let it sit for a bit and then you go to start it, that motherfucker's gonna backfire. So it is not very safe, but it do work. All right, here goes everything, fire or not. Wow. Oh, brake line blew. Nice. All right. I'm being a little cautious because there's a lot of cats around me right now. But ironically, the truck itself has no cats on it. Oh, yeah, you see how you give it too much throttle? She just dies. But I use that to get it on a trailer, and I'm using it to move it. Oh, here we go again. You just can't give it too much throttle. But she do all right. Porky. There we go. There's drive. All right, she's getting moved. Now you know. You can do this. It's just not safe, so be smart about it. Have a good day.